In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy concert tickets on Trip.com. To get started, open the Trip.com app on your phone or go to the Trip.com website in your browser, then sign in to your account. Signing in first makes the booking process smoother, especially when it's time to confirm your order and receive your ticket details. Once you're on the platform, use the search bar to look for the concert, the artist, or even the destination where the event is happening. This can be helpful if you already know the city but not the exact event name. After the results load, find the concert or event you want and select it to open the full listing. On the event page, take a moment to carefully review the details. Check the event date, the venue, the available seating options, and current ticket availability. This step is important because concerts can have multiple dates, different sections, and pricing that varies depending on where you want to sit. Reading the event details closely can help you avoid booking the wrong date or ticket category. Next, choose the ticket type or seating category you prefer, then select how many tickets you'd like to purchase. If there are multiple options, it's a good idea to compare them before moving on so you know exactly what you're paying for. After that, if Trip.com asks for attendee information, enter the required details carefully. Make sure everything is accurate, since some events may match ticket details against attendee information. When that's done, review your order before proceeding to checkout. This is your chance to confirm the event name, date, quantity, and ticket type one more time. It's always worth doing a quick final check before paying. At checkout, select your preferred payment method and complete the payment. Depending on your location, you may see several payment options available. Follow the prompts on screen and wait for the payment confirmation to go through fully before closing the page or app. After your payment is confirmed, Trip.com will send you a booking confirmation, usually by email or directly in the app. Be sure to check that confirmation so you know your order was processed successfully. Finally, access your e-ticket if one is provided, or follow any instructions for collecting or redeeming your tickets before the event. Some concerts may use instant digital tickets, while others may have separate redemption steps. Always read those instructions in advance so you're fully prepared on event day. And that's how to buy concert tickets on Trip.com.